Financial leverage, it's a powerful tool. Simply put, it's using borrowed money to invest. Think of it as a booster for your investments. You can control more assets than you could afford alone. This can amplify your returns. Imagine buying a house worth $500,000. You have $100,000 saved, you get a mortgage, you're using leverage, the bank's money. If the house value increases, your return is magnified. You made money on your investment and the bank's. But leverage is a double-edged sword. It can magnify losses too. If the house value drops, you lose more. Understanding leverage is crucial. Use it wisely to reach your financial goals. So is leverage your money's best friend? It can be, but only if you treat it with respect. How does leverage help you build wealth? It all comes down to potential returns. Invest $10,000 in a stock that goes up 10%. You make $1,000. Use leverage to invest $20,000. A 10% gain now turns into $2,000 profit. Leverage amplifies your gains. Accelerate your journey to financial freedom. It's like adding rocket fuel to your investments. But remember those bricks we talked about? Building wealth is like constructing a house. It takes time, patience, and careful planning. Leverage can help you build faster, but you need a strong foundation. That foundation is your financial knowledge. Understand your risk tolerance, invest in what you know, and never borrow more than you can afford to repay. Leverage is a powerful tool, but it's only effective in the hands of an informed investor. Leverage isn't some abstract financial concept, it's all around us. The most common example? Mortgages. You're using leverage to buy a house. Another example is margin trading. Borrow money from your broker to buy stocks. Businesses use leverage to expand and invest. This can help them grow faster and generate more profits. We've talked about the exciting upside of leverage. Now for the flip side, leverage is a powerful tool, but it can be risky if not used carefully. Misused, it sends you tumbling down. Leverage is similar. When markets turn against you, those magnified gains become magnified losses. This is the risk of leverage. It amplifies both profits and losses. Section 5, Risk Management. 101, Protecting your financial fortress. Managing risk is like building a fortress around your finances. You wouldn't leave your castle doors wide open, would you? You'd have strong walls, watchful guards, and maybe even a moat. Similarly, you need a multi-layered approach to manage leverage risks. Your first line of defense is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. These are like your financial bodyguards. They automatically sell your investments if they fall below a certain price, limiting your potential losses. Another crucial step is to have an emergency fund. This is your financial safety net. It should have at least 6 months' worth of living expenses saved. This way, even if your investments take a hit, you have a cushion to fall back on. Remember, managing leverage risk is an ongoing process. It's about being vigilant, staying informed, and adapting your strategy as needed. Section 6, Leverage and you, Finding the Right Balance. Leverage isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's like a recipe. You need to adjust the ingredients. The right amount of leverage depends on your financial situation. Remember, the key is balance. Don't be tempted to over-leverage. Find the sweet spot that aligns with your goals. Section 7, Smart Borrowing, When Debt Works for You. Not all debt is bad. Used strategically, debt can build wealth. We call this good debt. Good debt helps you acquire appreciating assets like a house or education. Bad debt is what we want to avoid. Debt for depreciating items like cars or vacations. This type of debt can sabotage your finances. Be mindful of the debt you take on. Section 8, Leverage Mistakes. Avoid these common pitfalls. It's easy to make mistakes with leverage. Over-leveraging is a common mistake, like carrying too many groceries at once. Eventually, you'll drop everything. Over-leveraging puts you at significant risk. Understand the terms and conditions of your leverage. Read the fine print. Ignoring your risk tolerance is another pitfall. Be honest about your risk comfort. Leverage is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Focus on building wealth steadily over time. Section 9, The Power of Time. Leverage's secret weapon. Time is leverage's secret weapon. The longer you give your investments to grow, the more powerful the effects of leverage become. Think of it like compound interest, but on a larger scale. Start investing early, even with small amounts. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from leverage. Section 10, Mastering Your Finances. Taking Control with Leverage. Mastering financial leverage isn't about becoming a Wall Street wizard. It's about taking control of your financial future. It's about using this powerful tool to achieve your goals, whether it's buying a home, retiring early, or leaving a legacy for your loved ones. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about leverage, its benefits and its risks, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. Don't be afraid to ask questions, seek advice from financial professionals, and continue learning throughout your investment journey. Financial leverage, used wisely, can be a game changer. It can accelerate your path to wealth, help you reach your financial goals faster, and provide you with financial security and freedom. Section 11. Final thoughts. Leverage wisely, prosper greatly. Financial leverage is a powerful tool. Used wisely, it can pave the path to financial freedom. Used recklessly, it can lead to financial ruin. The key is balance, knowledge, and a healthy dose of caution. Remember these key takeaways. Understand the risks as well as the rewards, diversify your investments, manage your risk, and start small. Leverage isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth strategically over time. Take control of your financial future. Educate yourself, seek guidance when needed, and use leverage to your advantage. Remember, the power to achieve financial freedom lies within your hands. Leverage wisely and prosper greatly.